Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about a concept in TypeScript known as type inference. And this is another great thing TypeScript is known for. It is simply TypeScript inferring or assigning a type for you when your variable is initialized. Previously, I said that specifying types in TypeScript is optional. You may want to or not want to, it's still fine. This is how TypeScript infers types on variables. Let's say we have, my number, get that correctly, equal to 54. And if I want to assign a string value to my number variable, which I have already set to a number type, like so, my number, this is a string. As you can see, it's not working because TypeScript has already inferred that this variable here, my number, is a number type variable. So I cannot assign a string value to that variable anymore. But I can still come here and say 78 and I'll have no error. And this is possible because I'm using the let keyword. If I were to be using the const keyword to say my line and I set it to 67, I cannot come here and say 89. It's going to give me an error, 890, not 89. It's going to give me an error still. And that's because the value of any variable that was set using the const keyword cannot be changed. But there is one thing to note here. The variable must be initialized for TypeScript to infer. So you can't say let my number just like this. You can't just declare and expect TypeScript to infer a type on that variable. So I can come down here and say my number is 67 and my number can be set to this is me, and I'll have no error. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.